everyone, welcome back to Patranya Plates and welcome back to my kitchen. So today we're gonna make a fish dish and a really simple one as well. I used to be super intimidated by making fish because I feel like it's so complicated, but really I've learned that fish cook really easily, especially when you can do it by baking, which I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna put it in the oven and I'm gonna make soy and honey glazed salmon fillet. Okay, so we're gonna start with our fish, and we're gonna use salmon fillet. So this is just for me, so I just need one fillet, put that aside, and then we're gonna go to the ingredients for our marinade. Super easy. We're gonna start with olive oil. I'm using garlic flavored olive oil, but any olive oil you want, about a 1/4 cup of that, and I'm using toasted sesame oil, and I got these at Trader Joe's. You're gonna use 1 tablespoon. I'm gonna use 2 tablespoons of low sodium soy sauce and 1 heaping tablespoon of honey, any kind of honey you like. Also some Sambal Olek chili sauce. You can use any kind of chili sauce here, but I really like Sambal Olek in this, and you can find this at most supermarkets. Also, I like to add dashes of fish sauce because I add fish sauce to everything. I use 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, and you can use fresh garlic like this, or you can use store-bought already minced up garlic for you, and also 1 tablespoon of minced ginger. So while I get all that together into a marinade, I'm going to put them all into measure it up in my measuring cup here, and then also I'm going to put it into this and shake it up. So I'm going to put that together, but before I do that, I'm going to go to the oven. I'm going to preheat it to 375. So now I have the marinade all mixed up, and I put it into this little container right here. I'll shake it up a little bit, and then what I'll do is I'll pour the marinade over the salmon right here, fillet. So I'm going to pour the marinade over this, not all of it, so just to cover the fish, and then going to reserve part of it, and then we're going to pour that, we're going to actually heat it up, and then we're going to pour it over the finished fish once it's out of the oven. So as the oven is still preheating, we're actually going to marinate it, pour this over the fish, and then we're going to put it in the fridge and chill it for about 15 to 30 minutes. Okay, so now the oven is ready to go. I prepared a foiled line baking pan right here. I'm going to use olive oil spray and spray this so the fish won't stick. So we do that, and then we get the fish out of the fridge. Alright, so this is the fish that's been marinating for about 15 to 30 minutes. And I'll lay it right here on the baking pan. And you pour a little bit more marinade on it if you like. There. You can see the garlic and the ginger and the chili. All that goodness right onto the fish. And then we are going to put it into the oven, 375 for about 20 minutes. So right before the fish comes out of the oven, I'm going to heat up the rest of the sauce here at medium heat. We're going to let that go in a small saucepan for just a little bit, and we're going to top that over our fish once it comes out of the oven. And here you go, the finished product. I poured some of that sauce, the extra marinade that I heated up, over the salmon that is out of the oven now, and I served it with a scoop of white rice with some roasted sesame seed on top, and then some edamame on the side, some radishes, and some avocado. But you can use it with any greens. You can also put it over sesame noodles too. That would be really good. As you can see, it was super easy to make. So I hope you enjoy this video, and of course, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do, and also leave a comment on what kind of videos you'd like to see in the future. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you soon.